We'll have a check there. Maybe I thought it was maybe one of the Bangladesh and relax youngsters here. But yeah, we'll have another look when we leave as well. Yeah, it'll be interesting to find out. Yeah, I'll have a very slow look there again. Maybe check around double crossing as well for any signs of that single liners. Thanks, I don't think I'm even here much longer with the storm approaching. So many together.
Yeah.
How many can you count? Did you try count them? 18. I counted 19.
19?
Because there's 1, 2, 3, 4 with the males, hey?
Yes.
And then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I got 18 again.
18, yes.
Different sizes, the males being very big, and then the females a bit smaller, and then the cubs the smallest ones.
2 years ago, but 2 meters from the
Really?
car. Yes.
Wow. No.
And the man always. Okay?
The man always what? Was
Yeah, always. Yeah. He wants always.
a lot of the times it's the female that will provoke the male.
So, okay.
So she will then get in like... It's pretty good actually. Yeah, it's quite nice. It's just too big for me. For males, hey?
Yes.
And then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because of elephant, right?
Yeah.
Elephant was the last one.
Yes.
Yeah. So now we saw the big 5. Take one more photo and then we'll go. So I think it's going to rain very hard. I'll have a very slow look there again. Maybe check around double crossing as well. For any, I'm not making any big calls like that, but it sounds like it's getting closer though.